In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and delete rows in a table within your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. This is a handy skill for when you're organizing data or updating content during a presentation. To begin, let's make sure you have your PowerPoint file open and ready. You'll want to navigate to the presentation file where the table you wish to amend is located. Once you have opened your file, look for the specific slide that houses the table in question. It's important to have clarity about which slide and table you are targeting so there's no confusion. Now, if your slide doesn't already contain a table, go ahead and create one. You can do this by going to the Insert tab and selecting Table. Choose the number of columns and rows based on the data you need to present. Once you have your table ready, the next step is to focus on the specific row you want to delete. Click on the table and select the row by hovering your cursor over it. When you see the row highlighted, you're all set. It's worth mentioning that making a backup of your slide or presentation might be beneficial, especially if you're making significant edits. This ensures that you have a revert option if necessary. Once the row is selected, your next move is to head over to the Layout tab. This tab is a powerful tool for transforming the appearance and structure of your table. You'll find options to adjust the table style, design, and alignment. Now locate the option that says Delete within this tab. Clicking on Delete brings a drop-down menu with various options. For our purposes today, you want to choose Delete Rows. This action will remove the selected row from your table. It's always advisable to double-check before you delete, ensuring you've selected the correct row to avoid removing critical data. And just like that, you're done. Your table is now updated and the unnecessary row has been removed. This straightforward yet effective process can save you time and help maintain a clean, professional look for your presentations. Remember, practicing these steps a few times will make them second nature, enhancing your proficiency with PowerPoint. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps simplify your table management tasks in PowerPoint.